It was a very proud moment for Maharashtra Education Society's Wagire High School Saswad when our students presented their Take Action project on the international platform of Take Action Day on May 1st, 2020. It was an online conference wherein students from Thailand, Poland, Ukraine, Spain, United States of America, Canada, and of course India presented their projects about Take Action Day. Reduce and replace use of plastic was the project presented by our students. Our students presented the project very well and got very good feedback from the guests and the audiences. Our honorable principal Mr. R.V. Shinde guided us for this project. Here is a recording of the program.
Pramod, are you with me here? We'll look to get your students.
Jennifer, shall I start now?
Hi, Pramod. Wonderful to see you.
Yes.
Kun and I can introduce you. Let's just make sure, are all of your students able to share their audio?
Difficult, but not impossible. So what we have done, we see our means in our nearby areas. We can't distribute this and we can distribute our projects or our paper bag to long areas, but to our neighbor and in the nearby stores we can do this. So it's not that if we can do it on more proportion, but we can start with a little bit, and this can make the difference in the thought of our neighbors, in the thought of our storekeepers, and it will change all people's mind, and it will almost help us what we have doing and what and why we are here today.
And that's only because of you. And so thanks for that. And as we suddenly locked down inside our homes, a lot of my pictures are stuck in the hard disk in my school, so we couldn't get the access. So whatever students were able to do at home, they tried the things and they have made a presentation about the activities. So shall I share my screen and start our presentation? Okay, I'm sharing my screen.
Yes, please go right ahead.
Thank you. Okay, Yash.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. Very good morning to all of you. I would like to welcome all of you on behalf of Maharashtra Education Society, Wagire High School, Saswad, India. We are going to present our project. Project Coordinator, Pramod Thube. Our Take Action Global project is all about reduce and replace use of plastic. We are very fortunate to be a part of Maharashtra Education Society, Pune, established in 1860. Our institution has always fostered national education. These are our founders, Vaman Prabhakar Bhave, Vasudev Balwant Phadke, and Lakshman Narhar Indapurkar. I would like to introduce the participants. Yash Buddhiwan, Varun Jagtap, Shivam Kumbharkar, Pranali Shinde, Siddhi Magdum, Pranali Kapre, Netra Jagtap, our Honorable Headmaster, Mr. R.V. Shinde, Facilitator, Pramod Thube. Preamble. Plastic pollution is the accumulation of plastic objects and particles in the earth environment that adversely affect wildlife habitat, and human. The chemical structure of most plastic render them resistant to many natural processes of degradation. Some facts about plastic use. More than 480 billion plastic bottles are used worldwide in 2016. World uses 500 billion plastic cups every year. Around the world, people litter more than 4.5 trillion cigarette butts every year. That's why we brainstormed and decided to focus on reducing the use of plastic and replacing it wherever possible. We also focus on two main things. The first was be the change, and the second was small things, big difference. You should be the change that you want to see in others. And even if we are doing something on local level, which might be very small, might make a big difference in the future. Our theme was care about the planet. As you can see, our planet is in a problem of plastic pollution, and all animals, birds, and humans as well are facing the problem. We decided following objectives to be fulfilled by the end: to reduce and replace plastic use in our own day to day lives, to share our experiences with our friends and their families to motivate them. We look at this problem from main three perspectives. The first was economical, the second was ecological, and the third is cultural. Now, Varun will present.
While we were working on our projects, we invited Manuela Correa from Portugal to guide us over Skype. Manuela Correa is working on plastic pollution in the sea with her class Plastic Brigade. We came across facts which we were unaware, especially the dreadful effects of plastic on animals and birds. She also motivated us for our project. These are these are some glimpses of our Skype meeting with Manuela Correa. In this meeting, we also present different side effects of plastic and mismanagement plastic waste polluted countries across the world.
Thank you, Varun. Now, Pranali Kapre will present.
Pranali Kapre. Yes, you go on.
To, full, to fulfill our goals of reducing and reusing of plastic in our daily lives, we decided to carry out following activities. Make paper bags that we can use and distribute to nearby retailers for packaging. Making posters for awareness against use of plastic. Using banana and banyan leaves for making eco-friendly plates and wrapping food items to store in refrigerator. Stitching cotton bags for house use and to distribute to community. Using dried sticks of wheat plant to replace plastic straw. Using, sorry ma'am, I can see because of the comment. The next was using bamboo for plantation instead of plastic container. And the last was making eco-friendly pens using paper. Now Netra will present.
My activity was making paper bags. About 40% plastic is used in stores for packing and carrying goods. All those bags are single use plastic. To replace those bags, we made paper bags from old newspapers. Paper bags are easily degradable, cost effective, and can be made at home.
Thank you, Netra. Now the next activity, Shivam will present.
My activity was using banana leaves for wrapping. The amount of plastic wrap that is produced annually is enough to wrap around the equator 10 times. The world produces more than 40 million US tons of plastic foam each year. This can be avoided by using banana leaves for wrapping vegetables and fruits, for keeping in grocery stores as well as refrigerators. Banana leaves are long, flexible, and have waxy layer on them, which increases shelf life of food items. Here you can see I am packaging the vegetables in banana leaf and right side the packages of vegetables. My next activity was using dining plates made of banyan leaves. Nowadays, almost in every public functions, we use disposable plastic plates. Traditionally in India, people use plates made up of banyan leaves and even banana leaves. We can make these plates whenever necessary. These plates can be sun dried and used all year around.
Thank you, Shivam. Now, Pranali Shinde will present the next activity.
My activity was stitching and using cotton bags. Single use plastic bag need to be replaced. I stitch cotton bag at home. We are using at home. Also, I distributed some bags to my neighbors. I used the leftover cloth which was not suitable for stitching a dress. These bags can be used for long time washing periodically. These bags are eco-friendly, convenient to use.
Our next activity was house gardening. Up to half a billion plastic plant pots are ending up in landfills or incineration plants every year. This means millions of pots are likely to be left to decompose in waste sites. So instead of plastic pots, we can use earthen pots, empty containers, or ceramic pots. I tried to use bamboo as replacement for plastic pots for planting small saplings. Bamboo is biodegradable and durable, so it can be used in nurseries also. Now, Siddhi will present the next activity. Siddhi activity was poster making for community awareness. We wanted to spread a word about what we can do to reduce and eliminate use of single-use plastic. As a drawing student, we decided to make posters. One picture works for 1,000 words. Even people who can't read and write can understand the message given in the pictures. Posters are attractive and catch attention. We plan to conduct poster making activity with my friends once the school is reopened. Here are some drawings which we have made to create awareness among the people. We put our posters on the walls of medical and general stores. Now, the next activity, Shivam will present.
My next activity was using wheat straw to replace plastic straws. More than half a billion plastic straws are used annually across the globe. That's nearly 2 millions every minute. Size of plastic straws make it difficult to reuse it and also to collect as garbage. So most of the times we find plastic straws scattered here and there. For this reason, I tried using dried wheat sticks as a straw. Dried wheat sticks are hollow inside and can be used as straw. It is biodegradable and easily available in summer. We can clean and store the wheat straws for the rest of the year.
Thank you, Shivam. Now, Varun will present the next activity.
My activity was making paper pens. About 1.6 billion disposable pens are thrown away by citizens of a good developed country every year. It means lot of plastic is thrown which is either difficult to pick up. We made pen using old newspaper. You can change the refill of this pen. These pens are light in weight and can be distributed to your friends as a birthday gift.
Thank you, Varun. Now, Netra will present.
Recommendations and practical tips. Apart from what we have discussed so far, we would like to recommend following tips for better future. It's never too late to take action. Be the change you want to see in others. Small things matter a lot, so don't underestimate your efforts. Try and use products packed in cardboard. Use reusable bottles for drinking water. Use matches instead of disposable plastic lighters. Use cloth diapers to, to reduce your baby's carbon footprint and save money. Spread a word about hazards of using plastic.
Next steps and ways to connect. We are going to organize a school campaign to reduce the use of single use plastic. We plan to amplify student voice by conducting rallies and street plays. We have registered with Take Action Global and will be taking part in all future projects. We are going to work with Plastic Brigade of Manuela, Korea for reducing plastic pollution on local level and creating awareness on regional and global levels. On behalf of Maharashtra Education Societies, Waghia High School, India, we would like to extend our special thanks to Cohen Timers and Jennifer Williams for giving us such an amazing opportunity to share this international platform with students from 10 different countries. As Dr. Jennifer says, climate change is an ideal topic that motivated all of us to cross tangible borders of countries to unite. So let's join our hands together for making our own earth a better place to everyone. We together can do it. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.
Hello.
I promote.
Yeah.
Outstanding
That's
job with
for
your students. Thank you so much. Please go ahead.
okay. Um, that's for the activities that they could do it at their homes and with their neighbors. But surely, once we will be back to the school, we will be all putting in the right frame of Take Action Global, and we would rather take part in all the future projects that we all are conducting. And thanks again so much to you and Cohen Timers for this great opportunity. Some of my colleagues are present.
Outstanding job, and your slides were well organized, and you all are doing incredible work. I think we're all amazed by the progress you were able to make in such a short period of time with all of your inventions. A couple questions from our group, if we may share them.
Okay. Our teachers take our lessons on audio conferencing or video conferencing, and we have books, so they are explaining and we listen and recognize it. So it and practice it again and again, so we understand. And our And if we have any queries, we ask our teachers, and they told told him told us.
This is our important year as we are in 10th standard, and it is first time when we are facing this problem. No vacations, no schools, no classes. What all we have to do is on our responsibility. So we have to be prepared for the school, because it's not that if we are getting the if we have getting the dates in lockdown, so we have to chill. No, we can use it as our vacations, or or our own classes. So with the help of our teachers, we are making it possible. Also, there is so many platforms from where we can get the study material, the YouTube, and some there are some apps which can be referred to this, and it's a great experience, because in these days we are going to improve ourselves. We are not depending we are not much depending on our teachers, so it will be helpful for all the students to improve themselves in their studies. Thank you, ma'am.
From our audience here today. I may see a comment
Okay, I
from
would
your
like to-
principal, Pramod, which is great to see. So since they've been home with COVID-19, that they're starting to see ways to reduce plastic use in their home. And so that's a good thing. Maybe if that, and loved seeing your great inventions. The banana leaves were new for me. That was neat to see. And your ideas with bamboo. We have a backyard here in Florida filled with bamboo. So I'm going to take you up on some of your recommendations.
Surely I use it. They can try it.
It's great to learn about it. We have a friend, Manuela from Thailand, also saying they use banana leaves there. So that's great to
Sure.
hear. Yes. Well, we cannot thank you enough for all the preparations and all the work that you've done over the past 10 weeks, but particularly this week, getting prepared for this presentation. And congratulations to you and to all of your student presenters. You did just a tremendous job. So we thank you so much.